Good. I'm going to do another one a little bit lighter. Be right here on the left. Just relax. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Karsyn here at Sioux Center Chiropractic, and today we are with Madison. Maddie's she's 39 weeks on Friday, so she's getting there. We're gonna adjust her today, but before we get into that, I'm just gonna kind of talk about some of the benefits of getting adjusted while pregnant. So I'm sure Maddie's experienced some of these, but the number one is just mother comfort. We can help with a lot of common pain that happens during pregnancy, like back pain, pelvic pain, pubic pain. Right now, Maddie's having some low back pain, so we'll address that today. But then we're always looking at the pelvis on a pregnant woman, just making sure it's optimally aligned the best that we can do, because that has a few different benefits, especially leading up to labor and delivery. So number one, like I said, we're making that aligned to get baby in proper position. It just helps baby get in a good position for labor, which can lead to less complications during labor, less need for interventions, and it actually can also decrease the time we're in labor and lead to easier delivery for both mom and baby. So today we are going to adjust Maddie, so we'll have her go ahead and lay on her stomach on our table here. And as you can see, we have some pregnancy pillows, and then we can also drop the table to make it more comfortable for mom. Is that comfortable there in the head? Okay. All right, so first we're just gonna feel for any differences in restriction on the legs here. So I feel more on the right here, and I'm watching her pelvis there too to see where we're gonna adjust. So we're gonna start right here on the right. I'll just pop this up here. We're just adjusting the tension of the table here. Further along in pregnancy, the relaxin really comes into play, so we don't need to adjust very aggressively because those joints are already loosening up. You just drop right here. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
I'm going to do another one a little bit lighter. Good. And we're just rechecking. That feels more even to me. What do you feel?
Yep. Doesn't feel as restricted.
Good. So now I'm just going to work up the rest of her back as well. Just feeling for those areas. Do a light drop right here in the lumbar. Good. You having any pain up top at all?
No.
Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath in for me and let it out. Good. One more here. Good. All right, now Madison's gonna come on up. Take your time. All right, now I'm just gonna feel her neck for any restrictions there. Good. Be right here on the left. Just relax. Good. And feel all right?
Yep, perfect.
Alrighty. And then we're also gonna check the front of her hips here. So I'm just gonna place my hands right on your hips. Is that okay?
Yep.
You having any pain in any of those?
No. I feel that.
I think so, yeah. It's a little bit more restricted on the left here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is pop this table up here. And again, we're just being really light today. Be right here. Feels a little bit better. Good. All right, come on up. Kind of just walk around to make sure that feels all right there. Anything bothering you anymore?
Feels really good back here.
Good.
Awesome. Thank you.
Alrighty, so Madison has also been doing some rehab with us. That's something we really like to do with our pregnant patients. It just helps them prepare for labor, but also for that recovery postpartum. So she did some of that with McKenna, and what that entails is just kind of working on breathing and core and pelvic floor. Basically, we just want to optimize her brain muscle connection, kind of get her ready for that pushing action, and then also being able to properly engage that core postpartum while she's healing. Thank you.
Thank you.